Ta-da! So anyways, the winner is Sandrine. Kaze, everyone. So today we're gonna clean up, and I have a special something to show you towards the end, so stay tuned. So we're just gonna do a little cleanup around the studio because it's super messy over here. So yeah, this is the before. The before. Ta-da! Now it's this area. We're gonna clean it up. Okay, so we're done cleaning up. The room looks a little bit more breathable. So I wanted to show you guys my new soap cutter that I got, because remember the other one broke that I was using. Actually the first one I was using was a soap cutter. I mean, it was a cheese cutter. But finally got a soap cutter. It's acrylic, and it has, so it's acrylic because you can see through it, and it has some stainless steel metal on it. So it came pretty much assembled. All I had to do was like screw this part inside. So let me just make sure the wire's pretty tight. It kind of wiggles a little bit, so I don't know about yeah, that's not as nice. I adjusted this part, but it doesn't look like it's the actual size. Another one, because I have a bunch of these. Okay, let's try another one. I like how it doesn't make like a, okay, this is a good size. I like it. It's not too small. I like it. And I like how he cuts. I just don't like the fact that he moves around like this, because this, I feel like it could misshape my soaps. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. Gotta keep it nice and clean, just like my old one. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys that I got a new soap cutter, and it was pretty decent. Like, the price was pretty decent. It was affordable. Now I can see why, because it's not all that great. So I'm not gonna, I don't like how it wiggles to the side, from side to side. I wanted it to be stable, so when I do cut through, I don't, like, there's so much space. Anyways, that's that. I got a new soap cutter. Ooh, look at that. It's acrylic, and I like the colors. So I did a giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much again, guys, for subscribing. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do. Welcome to VoyageFlower. I make handmade soaps here, and I also do other handmade natural skincare product, DIY natural skincare products. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I also do entrepreneur series, so I'll show you guys how my business is going, the events that I'm attending, any shop update, anything that's new in my business. I try to give you guys a sneak peek. So if that's something you're interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for joining us. So we did a giveaway, and on my previous, I think 2 videos, 3 or 3 previous videos that I did, and I basically asked you guys to, I gave you some rules like subscribe, share the video, tag your friends, and I had few participants, so I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winner. If you didn't get a chance to participate into the giveaway, please make sure you subscribe and watch my video so you won't miss the next giveaway that I'll do, because I'm pretty sure this won't be the first or the last giveaway that I'll be doing. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So this is the gift box that we did. It comes with 3 soaps, 2 regular soap bars, and 1 massage bar. All your whatever you pick as your choice is what I will put in this box and send it to you. And it also come with our Dahabu face and body oil. So that's what's included in a box for the gift box, and it comes wrapped all nice just like this, these with some real dry flowers on it. So anyways, the winner is Rosario. You're the winner, yay. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and message her and then send her, you know, message her so she can let me know what kind of soap she wants, and then send her gift box. Thank you so much for participating. And this person actually doesn't just share one of my videos. Sometimes she shares like my Instagram story post, or you know, my other videos. She also shares my other videos. So she's a really good supporter, and I appreciate her. So thank you so much for sharing my video, and thank you so much for participating in this giveaway. But I hope you enjoy the soaps that you pick in this box, and I hope that you continue to support me the way you do. Thank you so much. But yeah, that's the big announcement that I wanted to announce. I wanted to clean up the soap room, the soap studio a little bit, and then do a little giveaway for my winner. So thank you so much for participating. And if you would like to participate in my giveaway, I'll be doing some few giveaway very soon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when I post a video. It might be a giveaway video, you never know, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, that will be all for this video. It was very nice, short and sweet. We got to the point, and I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a like, and don't forget to share and comment down below. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.